Hi traders and welcome to the PL Capital Market Review. I'm your host Paul. In this video we're going to look at the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Russell. So let's start. All right, we'll start with the upcoming economic calendar. And from a data point of view, this will be a very quiet week. On Monday you have ISM services coming out, expecting a slight increase, 50 to 52. Not sure how the market will perceive that if it's good or bad, but I don't think it's going to matter a whole lot when we look at the charts. Other than that, the rest of the days or the data points are pretty small, so I don't expect any volatility coming from any of these data points. And also, earnings this week will be fairly light from a major market moving like we just had with big tech this week. So, all right, let's move on to the chart. Going to start with the S&P, and I don't see the top being in. So if we zoom out, as I said in my last video, that we had a 1 and a 2, and I saw this as a 3 back here on Monday, and we corrected down for 4 on Wednesday, and I don't see 5 waves up here yet for this 5th wave. So when I zoom in a little, I just see this 1, 2, and this is, for right now, it's kind of throwing me what this is. There's like just this little 1, 2, 3 here, and then 3 down here on Friday. So I'm almost feeling like they're coming up in a diagonal format. Maybe I need to see what they do with this late day sell off. It's possible that we got 3 waves to there, and then 3 waves, and like that's 2, and then this could be 3. That's not the 3rd wave. That'd only be the first part of the 3rd wave. So that's why I want to see what they do here. So literally, like when they open up Sunday night, this could be like the A wave or the 3rd wave, and then it looks like they already gave a little 3 wave for a B, and then still one more up, and then that would be the 3rd wave. So I need to see what this is, because this little area is kind of throwing me for a loop. So I need this wave will help determine exactly where we are. But I mean, so far I really only see 3 waves up to here, and we need 5. So the S&P, they got really close to that magic 5,000 number, so 49.97, and then real late day sell off there. So and this all could be making a running flat. Like this could just be the A and then a B, and then they might come down a little bit more for a C, and then you have that'd be 1, 2, and then you're going up. But either way, I'm only looking for buy setups. Still more up, but this is, if that's 4, then we are finishing something. And when this 5 waves ends, we're going to really have to watch the reaction, because there could be a bigger correction coming than anything that we've seen in a while. So I still see more up on the S&P, and once we get above 5,000, we really got to start to be careful there. And then same thing on the Nasdaq. Zoom out here, and then we had 5 there, 3 up to there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we need to come up for 5, and we didn't break that 17,793 that they set back in January. Haven't broken that yet. So, and then it's the same thing when I zoom in here. Like I don't know exactly what the pattern is yet, because I just really see 1, 2. That could be 3 and 4. I feel like it's still a diagonal. So I need to see, like, if this area holds on the Nasdaq, like 17,658 would be about as low as I would expect them to go. If they're going to be doing, like this to me looks just like 1, 2, 3, 3, and it could be one more up, and that'd be the third wave. So I need to see the reaction here in this zone that they already came into. Because if it falls any farther, then there's something bigger going on, a bigger pattern that'll be playing out. But I'd only be looking for buy setups to break that high, and then once we do, there'll be a little bit more up above there, but we're getting really close then to that fifth wave. So more up, but we're getting close to that that end of the fifth wave area. And then when we look at the Russell is not nearly as strong as S&P and Nasdaq. So from that October low, all I've seen so far is 3 waves, and we're still just in this corrective pattern here. So that's 3 waves. It's one of two things. It's either they're going to come back down one more time for, give it like an A, B, and a C, and then go, or it's possible that that was all the correction, and this is an expanding flat. So there's the impulse. That could be A, B, and then this is a 5-wave move here. So 5-wave. So that could be an expanding flat. So 2 key levels to watch on the Russell to tell you what's going on is this 1936 and the 2011. So if they break one of those, if they break down, if they break that, then I think they'll come and break that low that they set on last Wednesday. They'll break that down, and then we'll just have to see it. That could be then an ABC, and then it'll go back up. If they do break this, then like I said, then I think that was 1 and that was 2, and then they'll be going up for a 3, 4, and a 5 to break 2071. So right now you're in between those 2 levels, and it's just a guessing game as to what's going to happen. So I'd let one of those 2 break if you're not already in. I mean, either way, I think there's still one more wave up because this was a very strong wave, and you're in some type of just correction here. It's just very messy. I'd only be looking for buy setups. It's just a matter of, are they going to go from one more wave down here, or is that all the correction and you should be buying right now? So that's just a question you have to be able to answer. But yeah, definitely if they break 2011, then I favor that was all the correction, and now they're going to go up. All right, so that's the market. Hope that helps. Thanks for your likes and support, and I'll see you in the next video.